cheap apartment in Udon Thani. This is a room with an air conditioner. Parking lots for cars and motorcycles. Guys, welcome to Myanaka channel. If you plan to visit Isan region in Thailand, don't forget to stop by Udon Thani province, where you can find a Red Lotus Lake and adventure tour at Kirimugat village. If you like to stay here for some time, you can consider a cheap apartment in Udon Thani, which is Lada Apartment. Lada Apartment is located in Soi Pracha Santi, Nitayo Road, Mak Hang Sub-District, Mueang Udon Thani District. This is an example of a room with a fan. The range is 1,700 baht per month. If you are ready to move in, you have to pay 3,000 baht, included 1,700 baht for the rent in advance, 1,000 baht for insurance, and 100 baht for key card fee. This is the bathroom. This is a room with an air conditioner. The range of a room with an air conditioner is 2,900 baht per month. When you move in, you just pay 5,000 baht, 2,900 baht for rent in advance, 2,000 baht for insurance, 100 baht for key card fee. They provide a TV, refrigerator, a closet, water heater, Every bedroom is 16 square meters. Bathrooms and balconies are 3 square meters. There are 4 floors. Parking lots for cars and motorcycles. There are coil-operated washing machines and a coil-operated water vending machine. The entrance of Lada Apartments will be closed at 9 p.m. every day. So when you use key card, you just tap here, green color, and you just pull the door. If you are interested, this is the Facebook page of Lada Apartment. You can just type Lada Apartment Udon Thani. Every เดี๋ยวนะสติสตังค์มา I hope you like this เดี๋ยว I hope you like this episode. If you like it, press the like button and subscribe to keep watching more episodes. Bye!